Cabin crew, please take your seat to take off.
Welcome to our channel.
He's Fernando.
And that's Marlies. Right. I don't do many unboxings. I'm not going to get into unboxing videos. Maybe for the equipment that we buy for the sake of making videos. And for us to go sailing, whatever equipment we do, we might do unboxing, but we're not going to get into doing unboxing of everything. So at the moment, this is the old laptop that served us well up to a point. As I've learned more and more editing skills, as I've learned how to do better editing, I've reached its limit. The last video I did for my KFX Nano channel of the Mogadishu Madness video, when we went to play paintball, I reached the limit of this laptop. So I was left with a little choice. Well, I suppose I had a choice, you always got a choice, but to upgrade. So I'll be packing this away. Here's the bag, here's the bag. Move my phone out the way. Be packing this away. It did not stop working. I will still do minor stuff and small videos depending what camera I use I'll still use it. It's been a very good machine. There's the other strap. There's the other strap. It has served us well, and I'm sure it's still going to serve us well going forward. I'm keeping the mouse. I haven't got a new mouse yet. With a new laptop, I believe it comes without a mouse. I'm leaving the extension here. Pack it away nicely, because we'll still be using it. So if I go take something somewhere, to do something quickly somewhere, I'll be taking this with. So there we go. Let's close this up. My other memory card is there, the one I used to clear my phone. Memory stick, did I say? So that's that. It's a Lenovo T520. Okay, there we go. Right. Don't know how we make more space, but in any case. What's my pocket? Let's hope it's safe there. The hard drive, these memory cards are staying here because these are things I work with for the Osmo and for the DPI. And here's a new laptop. What I bought. It's a gaming ASUS. Tough. I'm not sure how to pronounce that properly. Gaming laptop. Okay, there's the receipt. So with that came a dongle, but I bought it as if let me put extra light on here. There we go. I bought it on the cellular contract. So one of my devices was due for an upgrade, and I took the opportunity because it's a lot of money. This thing's been opened before, but I didn't open it. In any case, yes, I think I have to get the number when I buy it, whatever. So there we go. That's that. Today I'm going to sell. Don't have a knife. Oh, let me get a knife. Hey. I'm going there. Then we are to looking. Come. So, maybe if we move the memory card somewhere, they don't fall off, and my dogs don't get to chew it. Right, here we go. Where's the seal? I know it's sealed somewhere. It's sealed there. Been lying at home for, I think, the third day today. So let's see if I can turn it around so we can all see this together. Big knife, huh? I think it's quite cute. Open it. Power cord. Okay. Keep my fingers in here. Okay. Nothing in there. power supply. Okay, looks quite so big. There's some, I don't know, warning labels and instruction manuals, I suppose. So the box is empty, I think. Well, there's basically nothing here. Just get the phone. Let's get this out of the way over here. And then start opening it up. Okay, get it. We'll just get it out of the way completely over there. And it looks very nice. I'm probably going to get a towel to wrap around it when I put it in the box. Okay, before I switch it on, as part of this whole exercise, I went and bought a new laptop bag, because I didn't have a laptop bag. That's quite a chunk of money for us. So I bought a new laptop bag. This laptop bag, I might as well show you guys. That's already open. My drone case, Mavic Pro, with all the spare batteries, all the stuff in there. The background's a problem, I suppose. The 3 batteries, the charger, the remote. I fly with the tablets, that's all in there. So that, I've already had it fit in here, so it fits in here. So that's, if we go somewhere and I take everything, and I take the laptop, I can take that and that in this pocket here, and I can carry one bag, instead of having a lot of bags to carry around. So each footage is on there, so I need to edit, I need to work on. Laptop will fit in here. It needs to fit with a towel, I'm going to put a towel around it. We have a custom little pocket made. Right, that's that out the way. Just assemble all this. Just unwind all the stuff. It looks nice. Feels pretty solid. Feels like a brick actually. I suppose you got there's a lot to power. This has got a graphics card. I don't have a pamphlet yet. Some 1610 GTX video graphics card in there. Okay, that we have to cut with my big knife. Geez, quite tough. There we go. That's there. I think not need anything else to cut. So let's you got to unwrap it. Yeah, I'm one of those people who keep things wrapped for a long time. My Mavic Pro remote, the little screen cover that came on there is still on there, and I've had it for like 2.5 years. That's just me, I try and look after the stuff. Right. Let's plug this in. Let's see where you plug it in. Presume at the back. Presume wrong. So that's on this side. Okay. So that's plugged in. I'm actually going to turn it around so we can film it as it comes on before I start setting the whole thing up. And in case there's something wrong, there we go. Oh, slowly started to charge. The camera can see that. And now we're going to switch it on. There we go. Looks really nice. So, GTX headphones, hyper cool technology, RGB keyboard. Keyboard looks very nice. All lit up. IPS level, nano edge display, HDMI, 200M key press durability, certified toughness, and Ryzen7 that we know. There we go. Switching on. The first switch on. Let's see. And then I'm going to have to set it all up. Download my editing software. I use NCH at the moment. NCH video pad. Let's do a little bit of setting up here. English. I like English United States. Oh, look at the keyboard changing colors. That's actually really nice. Right. Welcome.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States.
No.
Is that right?
That is incorrect. You guys can stay tuned so long. I'm in South Africa. There you go, in South Africa. Enter.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yep.
Do you
That's
also
fine.
type with another keyboard layout?
Let's go skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
Okay guys,
The first one on the list. Want to use that one?
thanks for watching. From here on I stopped putting in passwords, started doing my setup. So I'm going to shut it down. That's just the way things are. Thanks for watching, and I'll be editing on this laptop going forward. Thanks, please subscribe. Thank you.